activities.
Kamay ngay, nagdrawing si Angela.
Kalahati lang si Angela eh.
Ba, hindi na sakto lang kami. Kaya Angela nga eh.
Kita mga sinampay oh. Buti na lang walang panty.
Mamaya ipopost ko yung may sinampal mo po.
Nanampal ka talaga.
Another hit on slowly, child is slowly taken, and the violence calls such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tongues and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, what's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, do, do, do.
Hindi ko nailunog.
Do, do, do.
Ika na lang sa dudu.
Do, do, do.
Tawag ka na.
Do, do.
Sabihin mo kumakanta ako. Ay, wag mo yun isasan kay Grace.
Another mother's breaking, heart is taking over. When the violence calls us silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old thing since 1916.